Hey guys, welcome back to the Review Mentor channel. If you're looking for a powerful gaming PC on Amazon in 2026, you're in the right place. A good pre-built gaming PC can save you the time and effort of choosing every individual component while still giving you the performance you need for modern games. In today's video, we're checking out the top 5 best gaming PCs on Amazon in 2026. We'll look at the processor, graphics card, RAM, storage, cooling, gaming performance, and the pros and cons of each PC. Whether you're looking for high-end 1440p gaming, 4K gaming, streaming, or a powerful all-around desktop, there's something here for you. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. So, let's get started. Number 1. NIMO AI Creator Gaming Desktop, RTX 5070 Ti. Starting our list at number 1 is the NIMO AI Creator Gaming Desktop, featuring an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 Ti, 32GB of DDR5 RAM, and 1TB of SSD. This PC is designed for gamers and creators who need serious graphics performance. The RTX 5070 Ti is the highlight here. It's built for demanding gaming workloads and can also provide plenty of GPU power for video editing, 3D applications, AI workloads, and other graphics-intensive tasks. With 32GB of DDR5 memory, multitasking should be smooth, especially when you're gaming while running applications such as Discord, browsers, recording software, or streaming tools. The 1TB SSD also provides a good amount of fast storage for your operating system, applications, and a collection of games. This makes the NIMO an interesting choice for someone who wants a PC that can handle both gaming and content creation. Pros: powerful RTX 5070 Ti graphics, 32GB DDR5 RAM, 1TB SSD storage, excellent for demanding gaming performance. Good option for content creators. Strong GPU-focused configuration. Cons: high-performance hardware can come at a premium price. 1TB storage may eventually feel limited for a large game library. Overall, the NIMO AI Creator Gaming Desktop is a strong choice if your priority is high-end graphics performance for gaming and creative workloads. Number 2. Skytech Gaming PC King 95. Coming in at number 2 is the Skytech Gaming PC King 95. This is a powerful pre-built gaming system featuring an AMD Ryzen 7 7800X3D, AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT, 32GB DDR5 RAM, and 1TB NVMe SSD. The Ryzen 7 7800X3D is particularly well suited for gaming, while the RX 9070 XT provides substantial graphics performance. Skytech specifications for the 7800X3D and RX 9070 XT include 32GB DDR5 6000 RGB memory, a 360mm AIO cooler, 9 fans, a B650 motherboard, and an 850-watt gold power supply. Skytech also publishes benchmark figures for this configuration. For example, its listed results include 195 FPS at 1080p and 125 FPS at 1440p in Cyberpunk 2077, although actual results will vary depending on settings, drivers, and the rest of the system. The large King 95 chassis and liquid cooling also give this PC a premium gaming aesthetic. Pros: Ryzen 7 7800 X3D gaming processor, RX 9070 XT, 32GB DDR5 RAM, 1TB Gen 4 NVMe SSD, 360mm AIO liquid cooling, 850-watt gold power supply. Excellent for high refresh rate gaming. Cons: large desktop footprint, premium gaming PC pricing. Availability and exact component configurations can vary. Overall, the Skytech King 95 is an excellent choice for gamers who want a high-performance pre-built focused heavily on 1440p gaming and strong overall gaming performance. Number 3. KOTIN Prebuilt Gaming PC. At number 3 is the KOTIN Prebuilt Gaming PC, featuring an AMD Ryzen 7 7800X3D, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 12GB, 32GB DDR5 RAM, and 1TB SSD. The Ryzen 7 7800X3D is a gaming-focused processor that makes this system particularly interesting for gamers who want strong CPU performance. The RTX 5070 with 12GB of graphics memory adds powerful graphics performance for modern games while also giving you access to NVIDIA's ecosystem of features. The combination of the Ryzen 7 7800X3D and RTX 5070 makes this PC well suited for high-quality 1440p gaming and demanding gaming workloads. You also get 32GB of DDR5 RAM, which gives you plenty of headroom for multitasking, streaming, and gaming. With a 1TB SSD, you'll have enough fast storage to get started with your favorite games and applications. Pros: Ryzen 7 7800X3D gaming processor, RTX 5070 12GB graphics, 32GB DDR5 RAM, 1TB SSD. Excellent combination for gaming. Good choice for 1440p gaming. Plenty of memory for multitasking. Cons: 1TB storage may not be enough for a very large game library. Exact component brands can vary on some pre-built systems. Overall, the KOTIN is a strong option for gamers looking for a balanced combination of a gaming-focused CPU, modern NVIDIA graphics, and plenty of RAM. Number 4. CyberPowerPC Gaming PC. Coming in at number 4 is the CyberPowerPC Gaming PC, featuring an Intel Core i7-14700F and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 Ti 8GB graphics. The i7-14700F provides plenty of processing power for gaming, multitasking, productivity, and other demanding applications. The RTX 5060 Ti is designed to deliver strong graphics performance for modern games, making this system a good option for players who want a capable gaming PC without stepping into the highest-end GPU category. This PC is also interesting for users who want a system that can serve multiple purposes. You can use it for gaming, school, work, content creation, streaming, and everyday productivity. Pros: Intel Core i7-14700F processor, RTX 5060 Ti 8GB graphics, strong CPU performance, good for gaming and productivity, suitable for multitasking, CyberPowerPC pre-built convenience. Cons: RTX 5060 Ti is less powerful than the GPUs in the top 3 systems. 8GB VRAM may be limiting for some demanding future workloads. Overall, the CyberPowerPC is a good choice for users who want a versatile gaming and productivity desktop with a strong Intel processor. Number 5. Hellfire Gaming PC, Ryzen 5 9600X and RTX 5070 12GB. And finally, at number 5 is the Hellfire Gaming PC, featuring a Ryzen 5 9600X, NVIDIA RTX 5070 12GB, 16GB DDR5 RAM, and 1TB NVMe M.2 SSD. The Ryzen 5 9600X is a modern platform for gaming, while the RTX 5070 12GB gives this system plenty of graphics power for modern games. One feature that immediately stands out is the 360mm AIO liquid cooling. Combined with RGB fans and a dual-chamber case, this PC is designed to provide both cooling and a distinctive gaming appearance. You also get Wi-Fi/AC connectivity, Windows 11 Home, and a 1TB NVMe SSD. The main difference compared with several other PCs on this list is the 16GB of DDR5 RAM. That's still a solid amount for gaming, but users who stream heavily or run numerous applications simultaneously may eventually want more memory. Pros: Ryzen 5 9600X and RTX 5070 12GB, 16GB DDR5 RAM, 1TB NVMe SSD, ARGB fans, dual chamber case, Wi-Fi connectivity. Cons:
16 gigabytes RAM is less than some competitors. 1 terabyte storage may fill quickly with a large game library. Overall, the Hellfire Gaming PC is a compelling option for gamers who want RTX 5070 graphics, modern AMD processing power, and an eye-catching liquid-cooled gaming setup. So, those are the top 5 best gaming PCs on Amazon in 2026. If you're looking for high-end graphics performance and a PC that can also handle creative workloads, the NIMO AI Creator Gaming Desktop with RTX 5070 Ti is a powerful choice. If your priority is high-performance gaming with a Ryzen 7 7800X3D and RX 9070 XT, the Skytech King 95 is one of the strongest options on this list. For gamers who want the combination of a Ryzen 7 7800X3D and RTX 5070, the KOTIN Prebuilt is another excellent option. If you want a strong Intel-based